Cashless economy in which transactions are settled by shifting claims upon the banking system, be they in plastic or be they as checks, is something which simply is a chimera if it is the case that the banking sector does not consider more than half of your population creditworthy.
That if you have been paying attention to the financial media of all the various different countries of the world, you will know is coming up with increasing frequency in recent years, from Canada to Denmark to Israel to India to France. Many, many other countries besides have seen various steps along the path towards the implementation of the cashless society.
That the bank allows you to set up a claim against itself. And if the bank allows you to set up a claim against itself, you must be credit worthy. Now, half the Indian population is not considered, more than half the Indian population is not considered credit worthy by the banking system.
Now, the war on cash, this attempt to get rid of cash, to phase out cash, to have a completely controlled economy where absolutely every transaction can be tracked, traced, and under the purview of the central bank and the banksters and the bankster-controlled government puppets, well, that agenda has been rolling out for some time, and we've talked...
Many of you would have known that after bank nationalization, while there was an insistence, for instance, that the nationalized banks must give out a certain amount of credit as priority sector lending, let's say to peasant agriculture, to the agricultural sector, this is something which is now done away with, more or less.
Tarnished by terrorism, tainted by tax evasion, just plain dirty. It carries so many germs. Oh, you use cash? Ew, icky. Not to mention it's just so outdated. Oh, you're so 20th century.